Lace USA, based in Los Angeles, California, is a leading fabric company specializing in top-of-the-line lace fabrics for fashion, apparel, and home decor applications. The company has long been recognized as a premier supplier of lace fabrics, thanks to its large inventory of high-end products and its dedicated commitment to customer service. From high-end wedding gowns to daringly stylish cocktail dresses, the appeal of lace cannot be overstated. Lace USA offers lace fabric options in a wide variety of colors, weights, ornamental patterns, and other specifications to meet the aesthetic needs of any designer or tailor. Moreover, the company upholds the highest quality standards and sources its fabrics from the most reputable manufacturers in the industry. At Lace USA, customers can shop an extensive selection of lace fabrics. The company's product line features exquisite selections of French and Italian laces, including Timeless, Grandel, and Angelica. Lace USA was established and incorporated in 2021 to support e-commerce customer needs of Golden Dolphin Distributors, which has been in the business of manufacturing, importing and wholesaling of fine embroidered fabrics, laces and trimmings since 1986. Browse our large selection of appliques, fabrics, and trimmings of high-quality embroidered lace perfect for all your special occasions such as weddings, communions, christenings, baptisms, quinceanera and more.